Welcome to mambafixcars. Today we're gonna be working on a 2009 Mercedes gl550. I'm gonna work on the air suspension. It's just having problems. We're gonna fix it and stay tuned. Alright guys, so if you're wondering where this air suspension valve solenoid is, it's right here on the passenger side, on the right side of the vehicle. That's where it is. You take off your tire and you take the cover, take out that cover, and there you go, right here. Okay guys, so this is what the part should look like. There you go, your air suspension valve solenoid. This is what it should look like. It has this colors on it to let you know which hose goes to which one. And yeah. Alright, let's take it off. Okay, so I think there are two bolts holding it from this side and that side. And right here on our car, we have this in the way right here. So we're gonna try to bring this down. I think it has one bolt here, there. And I think we're gonna take this hose off. And I think this should come down. And then we get to the bolts underneath the side to get this one free. Alright. Okay guys, so when you drop this right here, this is how it's gonna look like. But when you look in there, you see that hose, it goes all the way to this orange side right here. Hope you can see it. So you're gonna take it off to avoid breaking it. But as I mentioned earlier, it has colors on it to know which hose goes to which one. And this one has orange on it, so you know that orange goes to that side, right? So we're gonna take that one off and make sure it's free from that so we don't break anything. This is the bolts I was talking about. Those two, hold on, give me a second. Okay, now you can see it better. That one and this one right here. Okay guys, we got the hose off. So as you can see the mark on it, it has orange on the hose. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take this to first the bolt I was talking about. It's holding the suspension valve solenoid, and we'll go from there. Alright. Okay guys, my apologies. We're gonna have to try and take this bracket right here off, and we're gonna drop this completely. So when you look down here, when you look down there, there's one knot over there we gotta take off for it to come down. Okay, so once you take off that knot I showed you in the back, it's gonna be easy to bring this one out like this. Make sure, be careful of the hose. It has two connectors in the back, so we're gonna turn it. Try to get this connectors on. So, yeah. Okay guys, so there it is. Make sure you taking care of that hose so it don't break. Okay, there you go guys. This is your hose right here. This is the part. You take it all the way down so we could take the bracket off. Alright, so with that part out, we're gonna go ahead to take off the bracket I told you about. It has one bolt there and one knot there, and it has two Philister bolts on the bottom. So taking that out should bring this compartment down. It should bring this right here down. And we're gonna have space to bring this one down too, because it has connectors in the back too. And we gotta make sure we're doing the right thing. Okay guys, when you're gonna take the bracket off, when you take all the bolts, you just pull the bracket out like this. nothing attached to it, then your suspension valve solenoid comes right down and gives you much space to take the hoses off and the connectors off. So we're gonna go ahead and take all those hoses off. And remember, it has colors on it. If yours don't have no color on it, mark it when you take it off, so you know exactly where it goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the connector off and take all the hoses off and put the new one back on there. Alright, stay tuned. Okay guys, we got the solenoid out. Got a solenoid out right here. And one thing I wanted to show you is on the hose, on the new one, it comes with this notch right here, so you don't have to worry about this one. When you pick one like this, you push it all the way back. When you push it back, you see this ring right here? This ring right here. You try to take it off. Try to take this ring off. There. You take the ring out and you just pull this out. Just pull this out, guys. Just pull it out. This. Okay, so you do all for the same. You do same for all of them. You do same for all of them. And when you get to the new one, when you're trying to get to the new one, you pull this pieces off and you just push the hose in there. Alright, so that's it. Okay guys, I have all those these rings and all that out. I'm gonna try to put one of the new ones on for you guys so you see it. Okay, so I told you have colors on there, so I'm gonna do the red. Just pull this piece on the new one like that. Then you get the red hose and you just push in. Those ring I make you take off for this one is in this one, so when you just push it in, it should just lock up. You gotta be gentle with it so you don't break it. Gotta be gentle with it so you don't break it. See that? It's locked. So that's how you gonna do all of it. Emphasis on the colors. You gotta be careful with the colors so you don't mix it up. Okay. Alright. And remember, on the piece I make you guys take off, on this piece right here, I make you take off, you do the same for it. You push this thing back. You see a ring, take that ring off, push this one out, and push into the valve solenoid. Yeah, so that's it. Alright guys, I'm done putting back the hoses on there, connecting the connector. So you just gotta do everything reverse of what I did when I was taking it out. So I'm gonna put everything back together, and this is the end of my video. Thank you all for watching. This video helped you. I'd appreciate it if you gave me a like and subscribe to my channel.